Can you believe it? Here we are, midterm week. It goes fast. Tell you what, we need to talk about three things today. First thing is your assignment for this week, which is what? 6-1, 6-2, 6-1, I'm sorry, 6-3, 6-4, 7-2, 7-3. We are talking about linear program and we're talking about matrix operations. Now, this is challenging material, but it is super important for you. I want to just spend an awful lot of time on this because you're going to see it directly in your econ class, in your stat class, and probably in your market research class. See, here's the deal. In econ, one of your problems could be something like this. You graduate, you go to work for Walmart, a management team. You want to find out, what does an average family spend on food per month? Well, come on, that depends on a lot of things. It depends on income. It depends on the number of children you have in the household. It depends on the ages of the children that you have on the household. So there are several variables that have to be used to determine something like that. That's what we use linear program and matrix operations for. And so as a result, okay, this is why you're going to spend so much time with these types of operations. So they're important, they're challenging, spend a lot of time, and not a lot of reading, but it's important reading. And go through the examples step by step. Don't do them just once, it's not going to do any good. You got to go through it several times. Okay, number two. I am real pleased with the way that most of you have really started early on the Excel projects. Now remember, Excel projects are not due until the end of the course, but a lot of you have started already, and you've come up with this question that they seem like it's a very basic thing, and shouldn't it be more complicated, more difficult? Well, here's the deal. My job is to prepare you to use the Excel when you get into your other quant classes. The fancy stuff is up to your other teachers. All I want you to be able to do is to create that file and to use some basic calculations. That's my job, and anything more sophisticated, your other teachers are going to handle. So, and remember, now I give you a choice. You don't have to do both of those. You can just do one and pick the one that you would like. Now, last thing is this. The registrar, unlike your courses that are 12, 16 weeks long, the registrar does not send out midterm grades, and they don't ask me for midterm grades in an 8-week course. The reason they don't do that is many times it's confusing to the student, because if I turn the grades in, it takes time then for the registrar to post them, and all of a sudden you get a midterm grade and the course is almost all over. So that's the reason that doesn't happen. Now it's very simple. If you want to know your midterm grade, go to your grade book, look at your percentage, compare it against the syllabus, all right, and that'll tell you what your grade is. Now, if any of you are in doubt, okay, you can email me, all right, if that's just possible, but like I said, most of you know. I will be sending out emails to those of you who are below passing, below a grade of C, and those will come out a week from tomorrow, because I will have to wait until the assignment for this week is complete and is graded and the total number of points percentages are logged. All right, it'll happen then. So good. Work hard this week because, like I said, this is important material. Okay, goodbye now.